up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Angela, and today I'm going to be filming a very exciting video, my apartment tour. Also, the lighting was working against me in the entire video, so I apologize for that. But I'm so excited to be showing you guys my apartment and showing you a little bit more in depth of my life. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so when you walk through the door, this is the door that you walk through. It's such a huge door. I've never lived in an apartment that had such a huge door before, but it's so nice. And we have this little carpet right here, right in front of the door. And then right next to the door, we have this little key hook here that we got from Target, I'm pretty sure. We added this because we wanted a place to put our keys so that we wouldn't put it on the granite countertops and scratch up the countertops. So we got this, which is really cute. We have, I don't even know what this is, like a bottle opener. These are my keys, and it actually really goes with the rest of our apartment. Like everything's kind of like this silver color and white, so it looks like just kind of natural right there. It doesn't even look like a command hook. So then swiveling around to the kitchen, this is an overview of the kitchen. It's so nice. Like, I'm so proud of this kitchen. It's so freaking beautiful. But basically we have all stainless steel appliances. Our fridge is the double door fridge with the freezer on the bottom. This is our oven, and then we have a really nice like fan with an overhead light on that. And then a dishwasher, and then here is the sink right here. Really nice. Moving in onto the details of everything. Somebody's growing basil, which I think is so cool. I didn't even know you could do this like this, the little light. I'm like so obsessed. Like, this is so cool. But yeah, look how cute. We have these 3 little jars. I'm not sure where they're from, but we'll just put like oranges or the cuties in there, avocados, or whatever kind of fruit will fit in here. This is my roommate's Keurig, but I use it because I'm addicted to coffee. This is one of my roommates. She got for the apartment. She really wanted like a knife set, and I think she got it. I don't actually know where she got it. I think maybe Amazon, but I'm not 100% sure. And then moving around to here, we just have this like little utensils holder with all of our kitchen utensils, some grapefruits in this bowl, my bananas, there's a potato randomly right there, and then we have the toaster oven, this little electric tea kettle, which is really nice because it heats up the water so quickly. And then this apartment didn't come with a microwave, which is so weird, but we had to buy one and we put it right there. So then moving over here, we just have a little shoe rack that we have some shoes, and then we'll put some extra mail that we got. If one of us gets the mail, we'll just throw it under there so the rest of us can just check. Here we have our trash bin, which is really large, which is nice. And then coming around on the other side of this sink, we have 3 little stools, and we got these from Walmart, I'm pretty sure. I'm not 100% on most of the things in our house, like most of the furniture, because I do live with roommates. I live with 3 other girls, so sometimes one of us will get something and then we end up just all splitting it. So I don't really remember where everything is from, but I'm pretty sure these are from Walmart. They're very inexpensive, but it's nice because it just doubles as like a little place to eat, which is nice. And then here we have like a dining room area where we can sit and eat. Right now there's only 3 stools because the 4th one is in my room as like a vanity chair. We have a cute little picture frame up right there, and then swiveling around to the left. I think one of my roommates got this off of Facebook Marketplace, but I know they painted it white because it was a different color before, and it looks so good because our whole theme in our house is like white and bright and clean, which I love. Then we have a plant underneath and then an orchid right there. This says, "It's a good day to have a good day." And then we have 2 candles and a circle mirror. Then coming over to our living room, right behind the couch, we have this little glass table that was one of my roommate's friends, and it ended up being in my room for a little while at my last apartment, and I brought it to this apartment so we could use, and ended up not using it in my room. So now it's just right here. So it's super duper cute. We have this white couch that I don't even know how is this white. It looks really white on camera, but we have honestly like just stained and spilled wine and all types of things on this couch, but it's still holding pretty strong, which is nice. And then we have these gray pillows, which I feel like is key. If you have a white couch, you should definitely get like gray pillows because I feel like the contrast will make it look even whiter. don't get white pillows. They'll make it look so dirty. We have this glass table, and then there's some like board games and stuff. I think somebody had some people over, so that's why there's like a puzzle and stuff right here. This glass table is from Facebook Marketplace as well. We got it from somebody. We literally bought it for like 20 bucks or something, super duper cheap. It's kind of broken on one side because when we were transporting it, it kind of moved, but it does its job and it looks really cute. Then we have this little plant right here, and then our little TV stand, which is so cute with two little, I think these are from the dollar store, those little like shrubs right there. We got this TV also from Facebook Marketplace. My roommate and I split it, so we were able to bring it here, just have like a living room TV. And then we have just some games down there, board games, some books, and then some just like art supplies down there. Over here, my roommate has her salon chair because she is a hairstylist, so she does bring clients here and she'll pull out her salon chair for them to sit on. And those are somebody's roses from their birthday. I'm just gonna give you an overview of the balcony really quick. This is what it looks like. I would show you more up, but I don't want everyone seeing exactly where I live, so because the street sign is like right there. But right now, somebody has a yoga mat out there because they were doing like workouts and stuff. But it's really cute. I really like our balcony. And then moving around, we have this mirror. So this is somebody's mirror from their room. It was just like a full-length body mirror. But yeah, coming over here, through this door, we have a storage closet. We just have our brooms and our Swiffers and just an excess of things. It's really messy, so I'm not gonna open it because I don't want you guys to see that. But coming around to the right is me and my roommate's bathroom. This apartment is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment. So this bathroom is doubled as the guest bathroom as well as me and my roommate's. So this is my side of the sink, and then this is her side of the sink. I have this little Dove hand soap right here, and then she put this little succulent here, and then I put this little candle because every now and then I'll just light a candle in the bathroom. Super cute. The toilet, of course, and I have a little spray. It's just woody sandalwood, and then we have a little candle right there. We have this toilet paper holder because we like to get one that's like tall and like right here rather than the one that's like back there because that seemed really far back. And then just a bath mat. We have a scale, and then this is just our laundry hamper. Mine is on the left and then hers is on the right. Then we put these two command hooks right there so we can put our towels. And then we have this nice big white shower curtain that we put up, and we also put up this white little rod to put up the shower curtain because our shower is like one of these. But we didn't really like the way that this like looked. We felt like the white curtain just made it look so much cleaner. So this is just our shower. It's super duper nice. Our shower is like really nice little bathtub. We have some of our shower things right here. There's really nice like tile in here. I'm like obsessed with it. And then we have this little like nook that in the beginning of us living here had nothing in it. And now it's like completely full. So we just keep getting more and more shampoo, conditioner, just hair stuff. But yeah, I love the way the shower curtain looks. 10 out of 10 would recommend getting something like this to make it look cleaner. And then behind the door, we just have this. If you want a space saver, definitely get something like this. It's really good to have on the back of your doors. I have it on the back of my bedroom door, which I'll show you in a minute. But yeah, so we just have some hair towels, some bath towels, and then my robe right there. And then we have a little hand towel holder right here. Now going straight this way, on the left is our washer and dryer. It's just in this cute little room. Just a washer and dryer. I really like it. Right here on the left, we have another kind of large storage closet, but it's like really deep. You can like walk all the way inside of it, which is nice because we put some extra suitcases in there. Also, I have a fake white Christmas tree that I stick in there. We just put a lot of like our big things in there. Right here is just kind of like a linen closet. We put extra sheets, extra towels. And then this room right here leads to the master. So I do have 3 roommates. 2 of the girls sleep in this room. And then coming here, I have another roommate that sleeps in here. And then this is my room. So this is kind of what you see when you walk into my room. So immediately when you walk straight, I have a huge ring light, which is actually on. But I have this ring light pretty much always set up because I try to shoot content every single day. So I have it plugged in and ready to go. And then I have a smaller ring light that's more portable. I take this upstairs when I need to take pictures and stuff, which is really nice. And then over here is my vanity. And I was just over here editing a part of this video. That's why you see some of my like snacks and stuff. But if you guys want to see an in-depth vanity makeup tour, I can definitely do that for you because I would love to go into depth of my makeup. These two drawers are full with makeup along with this little silver box down there, and I can do a full in-depth like makeup. This vanity is from IKEA, but I got it from Facebook Marketplace off of this lady that was super duper nice. She gave it to me for like $70, and I think the vanity goes for like 100 or something on IKEA. So definitely check your local Facebook Marketplace to see if they have the same thing, but it was brand new when she gave it to me. I had no nicks. All those little marks are from me. They're not from her. She literally gave it to me brand new. But I would recommend if you get it, you should get the clear tabletop glass that you can get on top. I know it sounds really extra, but I have completely worn down mine just from putting like cold drinks like this on there, which I should not be doing. This is my old mirror. I've had this for like 3 years now. This mirror was a full length mirror, but I just turned it to the side so it could just double as like a vanity. Underneath my vanity, I have this silver trunk, which I got from makeup school, but I keep all the extra makeup that doesn't fit in these two drawers. So like I said, if you want to see a full makeup collection and storage video, I can do that for you. This is just a lint roller that a company sent me, and then I have that's like a screen protector. And then in here, I have all my tech stuff. I just put my screen protector in there, but this little square is from Target. They're super inexpensive. I think they're like $12 or $13 for this whole little box. It's nice because it looks clean and neat, and I put all my tech stuff in there. So I have chargers and extra camera batteries, all that kind of techie stuff is in there. And then in here I have some extra makeup bags. I have this little trash bin and then an extension cord right now because I have a bunch of things plugged in right now. This air purifier that my stepdad got me, this is the canvas that I got from Intuitive. I love it so much. It's so freaking cute. And then this is my bed. I love my bed. It's so cute. Right here I have a bunch of clothes that I need to shoot in. So I folded them and put them like right where I sleep so I can like remember to shoot in them. This little guy is from my boyfriend. He just sits there. And then swiveling around right here, I have this little chest of drawers where I just keep socks and some extra clothing items. This also doubles as like my nightstand because it's right next to my bed. So just have some nightstand things, my glasses and some vitamins and stuff. I just got a brand new magazine from Ulta, so I was like reading it. And then I have this planner, a journal, and then an old planner. I just got this one because I wanted a planner that goes well into 2022 starting like this year, and the only one I could find was this one that starts in July. So as soon as this one hits July, I'm gonna switch over to this one. And then in this Nigel bag, this is just a bag that I found in my house, but in the bag I have some pieces that I'm selling on my Poshmark. So if you guys are interested in clothes that have been really lightly used, I've only ever used it like once or twice, you should go and check out my Poshmark. I usually only wear it once or twice or for a picture, and it's really nice stuff from Pretty Little Thing, Princess Polly, Fashion Nova, or Forever 21, and for really inexpensive. I only ship in the US though, so if you're out of the country, I'm sorry. Unfortunately, Poshmark I think is only in the US. Oh my god, and then I have these two lemon sugar cookie candles. These are my favorite. I get these from Ralph's. They smell so amazing. If you like lemon and sugar cookie and sweet scents, you're gonna be obsessed with these. Then right here literally looks like a mess, but I just took my camera off of this tripod, and then this is an umbrella light. I just removed the umbrella from it, and then turning around here, they're so big. I love it. It really opens up the space because the room is small, but then the moment you turn around, like this just makes it look so much bigger. I'm gonna give you a sneak peek into my closet, but I'm not even gonna go into depth because it's such a mess. This is just like what's going on there. This bag is for a different video I want to shoot. I have a bunch of swimsuits in here that I need to shoot for a different video. And then I have some of my nicer shoes right here, and then it's just all my clothes hung. And then let me show you the other side. This side is a little bit more organized because it has these like cubbies which not sure why they did this. I have boots right here. I have sweats, more sweats right here, and sweatshirts. I have jackets hung. I have more sweats, and then way at the very top, there is like a tiny, tiny little space where I put more shoes. I'm gonna start listing some of my shoes on Poshmark as well. So you guys should definitely go follow my Poshmark. It'll be in the description box below. But I have more running shoes right here. This is a cubby full of my swimsuits, some books. This is my Sweet Sweat waist trimmer and the paste I put to make me sweat more before I put it on. My colorful leggings, my black leggings, my favorite Sun Bum cream, 2 perfumes from Dossier. And then here I have just a cute little setup that I think is so cute. It's kind of getting a little overpacked, but I have all these sunglasses right here. I'm a sunglass hoarder. And then some fashion jewelry, some hoop earrings, some more jewelry in this box, and then on top I just have some cute perfumes and then some tanning lotions. Right here I have a purse, and then in this I have a bunch of fashion bags that are really cute. But yeah, oh, and then I have this white carpet that doesn't even look very white anymore, but it is from Amazon. I think it's like the 7x9. It's really, really big, but it's faux fur. And yeah, that's pretty much my entire apartment. Sorry that the lighting was so bad. Like, it's so hard to film in here. This is like, I hope you guys can kind of see what I'm talking about with this apartment. It's like, it's really dark. It's like really nice, but it's really dark in here because you have to really rely on artificial light because I'm on the back side of the apartment complex. After like a certain time, it gets so dark. So that's why this video is probably not very well lit, but I'm so happy I was able to film this for you guys so that you guys were able to see my apartment and just where I live. And in a few months, I'm going to be moving into a new place because we're not renewing the lease here and we're all kind of doing our own thing after this apartment. I'm going to be going into a place of my own, so I'm really excited to show you guys how I end up decorating that place. It's going to be really exciting. I hope you enjoy it. Make sure to give it a huge thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below if you want to see like a makeup vanity tour. I'll probably actually not do that until I'm settled into my new place. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.